Look at you. Are you recording?
Yeah. We're fighting off a hive of bees right now. Can't really see them too well, but maybe you'll be able to hear them. They're deep in the ground somewhere. Spraying them with food. Well, I mean, not food, but flying insect killer.
Get real close.
There they are. Watch out.
I hear them over there.
Wrong way. You see Taylor going, oh, look at him,
Yeah.
They're all up in there.
Don't get too close. It's gonna
Mess it up. We need something bigger. They're slowly dying. Their buzzing's beginning to simmer down.
I'm gonna spray it over one last time, and then I think we should leave it alone.
There's the remains of a bees that used to be.